Now I want to top stitch down this really close to the zipper teeth as well, just to keep everything nice and neat. So I'm going to shift the zipper foot to the left, and you just do that by moving the bar, and then again you tighten it with the orange knob in the back, and there we go. You can see that my top stitching came out as good as possibly can be over sort of a lumpy quilt remnant. So I'm very pleased with this. And now I'm going to attach the other side of the quilt remnant to the other side of the zipper teeth.